Featuring a stylish design and innovative capabilities, the LG Hom-Bot Square makes cleaning your home quicker and more efficient. In this short video, we will go over the different cleaning modes that your Hom-Bot has to offer. There are a total of 5 cleaning modes available on your LG Hom-Bot. 3 of these modes are accessible through the Mode button on your remote controller and the Mode button on top of your Hom-Bot. Scroll through the different cleaning modes by continually selecting either of the Mode buttons. A voice prompt as well as a visual indicator will let you know which mode has been selected. The remaining 2 cleaning modes are only available through your remote controller. In Zig Zag Clean mode, your Hom-Bot will operate by cleaning in a zigzag pattern throughout your home. When you're in need of a quick and efficient cleaning, we recommend the Zig Zag Clean mode. The cell-by-cell mode on your Hom-Bot offers a more meticulous cleaning option. In the first stage, the Hom-Bot will outline rectangular cleaning spaces. In the second stage, the Hom-Bot will proceed to clean inside of that space using a zigzag pattern before moving on to the next rectangular space, until the entire home is thoroughly cleaned. The factory default setting for your Hom-Bot is the Zig Zag Clean mode. However, if you decide to set up the cleaning mode to cell by cell, or return to the zigzag mode, the Hom-Bot will maintain that change in its memory even after the power is turned off. A visual indicator on the display allows you to see which cleaning mode the Hom-Bot is set at. If you want to focus your cleaning on a specific part of the house, use the Spiral Spot Clean mode. Begin by moving the Hom-Bot to the specific area, select the Spot Clean mode and press Start. The Hom-Bot will spiral out and cover a 1.5 meter diameter area and return to its original starting position before automatically switching to either zigzag or cell-by-cell mode depending on your settings. Please keep in mind that this feature cannot be activated while the Hom-Bot is recharging. The MySpace Cleaning mode offers a more customized approach to cleaning. Select the MySpace button on your remote controller. For the first stage, the Hom-Bot will ask you to outline a specific cleaning area. You can use your remote controller to direct your Hom-Bot around the outskirts of the area that you want to be cleaned. Press the Start button to begin the second stage, and the Hom-Bot will proceed to thoroughly clean within the specified areas. Please keep in mind that this feature cannot be activated while the Hom-Bot is recharging. Manual cleaning gives you the option to control your Hom-Bot using the direction keys on your remote controller. Move forward, backward, left, or right, and your Hom-Bot will follow. There are 2 auxiliary cleaning modes available for your Hom-Bot. In Turbo mode, the Hom-Bot will run a more powerful cycle. This mode will automatically switch on when the Hom-Bot is cleaning carpets. To manually turn this feature on or off, you can either use the Turbo button on your remote controller or the Turbo button on top of your Hom-Bot. The Repeat mode, enabled by pressing the Repeat button on your remote controller, will run a cleaning cycle until the battery runs out. To disable this function, press the Repeat mode button. A voice prompt will alert you that this mode has been cancelled.